Hey, what's up guys? And today we are doing episode 2 of the Minecraft Let's Build a Server. And things will have been like built already because I had recorded this video a while ago, but I deleted it by accident, so I'm gonna have to redo that. Design block, work in progress, and let's play it. So, so far I got the PvP arena done. I'll show you right now. Alright, and do a little spin, da-da-da. Oh, man. Okay. And, so I got all of them done today. So, watch, like the hard mode. I got hard mode where find a random house and then you fight. And I stocked the houses up with like goodies, stuff like that. And so I got this done. And the one that you saw, can this thing go any faster? What you saw was, you know what? Let's see. Night vision, absorption, fire resistance, and speed. Aha. Speed, no. Like speed 5 and oh man. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. 10,000. And now, number 5. Okay. I have speed for infinity now. Okay, this is a lot more helpful. Let's see, where's the PvP thing? Ah. Okay. Let's go here and I'll show you. The one that you saw me making was this one. This is the one that you saw me making. So it's going to start out this and then go. And so then they jump down the little hole. If I can. Okay. And then they jump into the hole. Grab one of the chests. The higher the chest, the better the loot. So like that. And so then you can fight and stuff, whatever, in here. And to go back, okay. And the last one, which is easy, is okay. It's right here. And it should be right here. Oh wait, that's the one that we were at. Shoot! I bet you this is taking like forever. You're watching me and getting super bored. Oh, and this server is not ready for you guys to go on it. I'm sorry. But maybe I might release it. But for now, it's being kept a secret. This is the one we want. Okay. So, this is kind of like skyblock, kind of not. Yeah, that was like a little island where you and other players can just work together and yeah. Wanna know what's really fun? This. Yes! Sorry, I'm just having a lot of fun with this. Hee. Oh yeah, I still haven't found what we should do with this. Leave what we should do with this in the comment section below. But right now I have no idea at all what I'm gonna do with it. So but anyways, yeah, because I spent like forever doing this. I know it doesn't really match with the scene. That could be like a store or something. That's what I'm thinking of. But anywho, I don't know what type of games we should put here. I shall go put on my thinking cap and meet you there. Okay, so I got an idea on what to make our / weather. Okay. So anyways, I got an idea on what we can make our second one. Our second game's about. Our second game, I guess. And it's gonna be called it's gonna be like a ton of mini games. So I'm gonna call this Party, just for fun. So all you need to do to build this is quartz slab and a quartz stair. And right now you have the entire universe at your fingertips. Okay. And bam. I need to sing with this in the top. You don't have to do this, but it makes it nicer and it's easy, and it makes it easier for when you're actually building the sign. Just do it. Okay, there we are. This should be 1 block, 2 block. Oh, too low. Okay. I'll make this across. Yeah. Almost done, and boom. Okay, so we need to do the letter P first. So the way I made this before was like that, and then I put one of those there, and I simply, oh, wrong way. Alright, boom. P. Okay, now A is a little more tricky. Needs to be like this. Alright, like that, and then boom. Okay, PA, now R. So it's just like the P, except you have to just add a little extra thing right here. Maybe if I, ooh, hey, wait a minute, that's a good idea. Oh, maybe not. I'm trying to somehow, oh, like this. There we are. So now, I can do this. There we are. Perfect, perfect R. The only thing that's wrong with it is that it doesn't look like an R. How am I gonna do this? I guess I could do it like that. Old-fashioned way. Except, it just says part. We don't want it to be a part, we want it to be a party. Nobody wants to go to a part. So I'm gonna have to redo this. Oh god. I'll fast, well, not fast forward, but I'll skip to the part when I'm done with this. And boom. Okay, so I got the sign done. Now I need to set up the spawn point thing, whatever. Not the spawn point, what am I thinking of? I'm thinking of the, oh yeah, I'm thinking of the teleporting little portal. Okay, and put that there. Put that there. Now, tripwire, tripwire. Where is the tripwire? I always have a hard time finding it. I don't know why. And now, just some string. I'll trade you out. Get out of here. Boom, 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 and oops. Oh, there it is. And boom. Oh, wait, no. Okay, now. Alright, anyways, it's not set up, so we can't actually go through it yet. Let's preserve space. And let's make it here. I don't know what to make it look like. How about like... Oh yeah, I got an idea. So it's gonna be all rainbowy and stuff. Not sure if that's a word or not. Rainbowy. Sounds like a word. I need all the colors of the rainbow. So... oh, no, that's not what I want. Red... orange, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now we need a light blue, and I'll show you why in a second. But and we also need white. Okay, I think we're set now. A little lower. Okay, that's good. Slash set block. And let's make it stone. We're not actually going to keep it stone anyways, so. Alright, I'm going to do the layout with light blue stained glass. Okay, just need to get rid of that mostly. I seriously need some milk. This isn't good for building. Oh, there we go. That feels much better. Okay, so I'm gonna make it. So if this is the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 both sides. It's gonna be huge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Now, here. I think it's here anyways. Yeah, it's probably here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, no. 11, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And no, I don't need to count aloud, but it's fun. And don't be pestering me by that in the comments, okay? You should try it. It becomes a habit after a while. Anyways, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make a little rainbow across the floor. Like, so that's the sky, and then from the sky, I'm gonna put a rainbow engraved into the ground. Do you understand? No? Okay, good. Neither do I. I'll skip to the part when I'm saying, okay, I'm done. Alright, let's do, what else is here? Okay, yeah, let's do that. I'll skip to that part. I just don't know how. Maybe it's like this? No. Wow, just now I noticed how cool this is. It looks awesome. Look at it. Admire its glory. Okay, I got this done. And, I'm pretty sure the video has been more than, I don't know, 5, 10, 15 minutes. I'd say between 15 and 20. That's my best guess right now. But, right now, I have no idea what I should do with this except putting little rainbows on it. Besides that, all I know is that there's going to be a portal, the ground's going to have rainbows on it. And there's going to be spleef here. And these 2 games, actually no, there's going to be 8 games. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wait a minute. Oh wait, yeah, it is 6, because that's not counting that. Oh, and by the way, that's not a block. That's far, far away. A huge amount of blocks. But put in the comments what you want me to change this into. So feel free to do the most craziest mini game ideas. But remember, it has to be mini, not like a 2-hour long adventure map. Although that might be fun to do in another Let's Build. But anyway, guys, I'm getting too excited about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe or leave a like, whatever. Subscribe. It's free. And with that, I am going to say, you know what I'm going to say. I hope you enjoyed, and peace. See you later.